autumn comes in through the window again for you to hold. So says the weather's just like she likes it, you know. Not too hot, not exactly cold. And some days there's rain, and some days there ain't. And when it does rain, she stands outside, letting it pour down on her without complaint. Don't know how many times she's come home to me all soaked, and she'll be right out of her clothes with a nonchalant look on her face. And you know she loves you even on rainy days you found. And soon it's autumn again, coming around. Flowers start growing again into the air up from the ground. And you spend more time outside you found. And you know there's a spring where your worries can drown. And you know you're only really happy when she brings you up from down. And you'll be out there just to find her in the rain. And it's the best nights when she says she's staying. Whatever she wants, you won't complain. And being down washes away down the drain. And you know she loves you even on rainy days you found. And soon it's autumn again, coming around. And you know she loves you even on rainy days you found. And soon it's autumn again, coming around.